The amount present after one half-life is initial amount over 2, which is equal to initial amount over 2 raised to 1. The amount present after 2 half-lives is the original amount over 4, which is equal to original amount over 2 square. This is because 4 is equal to 2 square. The amount present after 3 half-lives is the original amount over 8, which is equal to the original amount over 2 raised to 3. This is because 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3. Therefore, after a known number of half-lives n, the amount present will be the original amount over 2 raised to a known number of half-lives n. Then time required for the nuclei to disintegrate is equal to number of unknown half-lives times half-life, whereby n is equal to the number of half-lives. N naught is equal to the number of the nuclei present. N is equal to the number of the nuclei remain after decay. Example number 1. A sample of a radioactive element contains 120 nuclei. Calculate the number of half-lives it takes for the sample to decay so that there are only 30 nuclei left undecayed. Data given. Number of nuclei present is equal to 120. Number of nuclei remain is equal to 30. Finding number of half-lives. Solution. Number of nuclei remain is equal to number of nuclei present over 2 raised to number of unknown half-lives n. Therefore, 2 raised to n is equal to the number of the nuclei present over number of the nuclei remain. Then 2 raised to n is equal to 120 over 30. 2 raised to n is equal to 4. 2 raised to n is equal to 2 square. Therefore, n is equal to 2. Number of half-lives is 2. Example number 2. A sample contains 800 grams of iodine 131. How much of the sample will remain undecayed after 32 days? The half-life of iodine 131 is 8 days. Data given. Sample of iodine 131 present is equal to 800 grams. Time is equal to 32 days. Half-life is equal to 8 days. Finding sample of iodine 131 remain. Solution. Time required for the sample of iodine to decay is equal to number of half-lives times half-life. Then number of half-lives is equal to time over half-life, which is equal to 32 days over 8 days, which is equal to 4. Therefore, number of half-lives is equal to 4. But sample of iodine 131 remain is equal to the sample of iodine present over 2 raised to number of half-lives n, which is equal to 800 grams over 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 800 grams over 16, which is equal to 50 grams. Therefore, 50 grams of iodine 131 will remain undecayed. Exercise. The half-life of iodine 131 is 8 days. A sample contains 32 grams of iodine 131. Determine the remaining mass of the sample after decaying for 24 days.